I made the world's first Resident Evil supercomputer. Not really, just kidding, it's a Cyberdeck. Hey everyone, Aquatic Breakfast here, and today I'm finally showing off my Cyberdeck. This is a project that I've been working on and tweaking over the past few weeks, and honestly, I think it's almost completely finished. First of all, what is a Cyberdeck? Well, a Cyberdeck is a customized computer built for an intended purpose. The reason I built mine is so that I can have a heavy-duty retro gaming engine that can play all my favorite classics. It can also be set up to run as a server if I ever wanted to server host anything such as Minecraft. I also plan to download a collection of survival guides and maps so it can function as an off-grid, post-apocalyptic survival tool. Now let's get into the build of this thing. By starting with the outside, of course. I wanted a rugged, heavy-duty design that feels like a mix between a field terminal and a hacker's briefcase. And honestly, I think I managed to create that look very well. The shell is a mini Pelican brand case, and while this video is not sponsored, I will include a link to Pelican in the description in case you want to check them out, and maybe you even want to build your own Cyberdeck. Pelican's a brand that makes a lot of different luggage containers, coolers, and cases of any size for almost anything you might need. I also made this entire Cyberdeck Resident Evil themed with some stickers that say Property of Umbrella Corporation on them, which I got off Amazon. Now, before I open this computer and show you the inside, if you enjoy this style of content, please consider liking so I know what you guys are enjoying, and subscribe to my channel. It's free and you can unsubscribe at any time. Now, let's get to the inside. Inside, the computer that I'm using is a Raspberry Pi 4. Which is running Raspberry Pi OS. It's mounted by just a Velcro command strip, so I can easily swap it out at any time if I want. And it's housed in this clear plastic case that has a built-in fan, which I think is a really nice touch, because the computer does tend to run hot sometimes, and that can help cool it down. Go ahead and stick this on back here. As for the screen, I'm using an Electro 5-inch touchscreen, which I also purchased off Amazon. Go ahead and plug everything in here. A lot of USB ports. As you can see from the screen, my expert handcrafting mounting job. It's mounted with electrical tape, styrofoam, and rubber bands. So it's not the sturdiest thing in the world, but honestly, that's kind of the look that I was going for. It looks like something that can be mounted with junk you can find laying around your house, and I think it's perfect. As for a keyboard, I want to find something smaller, but I'm currently using a JLab USB keyboard. And any USB mouse will do, so I've been using just my regular Razer mouse. But again, I'm looking for a smaller mouse that'll fit inside this as well. Okay, let's power this thing up. As you can see, I kept going with the Resident Evil theme with the Umbrella Corporation wallpaper and red text, and I think it is a very cool vibe. So just to give you an idea as to what's possible on this machine, I am currently playing the 2001 Resident Evil remake as if it was on GameCube, and it's running very smooth. It does have controller support. The only thing is that I had to map all the buttons individually. But as you can see, you know, it's Resident Evil. The only thing that I haven't figured out yet is audio. Obviously, the machine doesn't have a speaker, but even if I plug in my headphones, I still don't get any audio, so I'll mess around with that and hopefully I'll be able to figure it out. Yeah, it's just classic Resident Evil on my Cyberdeck. So yeah, that's my Cyberdeck. Let me know what you think down in the comments if you want to see more content like this. As always, have a good one.